Hey guys, today's video, let's learn how we can join AliExpress. So first thing first, joining AliExpress is making an account if you don't have any. So open your browser and then type in AliExpress. You will see aliexpress.com somewhere. So go ahead and open it. And once done, you will get landed onto a page like this. In here, select account as we have to create an account. So you will see sign in and register as soon as you select account. Wait for this to load. And then select sign in or register. As you do that, you will get landed onto a page like this. From here, you have to type in your email address, and if you already have an account onto that email address, you will get signed in. If you don't have an account, you will get directed to a process where you can create an account. So go ahead, type in your email address, or you can also continue with Google. And once done, as you can see, it is asking for me to continue. So select continue. There you have it. As you select your account, you will see a username. If you would like to change anything about your username, select settings, and from here select profile and change your username. This is how easy it is, guys. Thank you for watching.